But the beauty on this world is on another level. I'm not sure even the camera is doing it justice. Hello good people, and welcome to yet another travel video. Remember, this is Just World, where we talk about personal development, finance, travel, and community service. In today's video, we are in Diani. Welcome to Leopard Beach Resort and Spa. We're going to start with a tour of our room. So kindly subscribe so that you don't miss the subsequent videos of this beautiful resort by the beach. So here is our room. Let's get in. So the first, on your left, we have the washroom. So we can start with the washroom. Okay, we have a dryer here. We have a glass. The sink is here. I like the marble. I thought marble is just put in the kitchen, but this is lovely. And then the color is so bright. Then we have the second glass over here. Then we have our accessories over here. We have shampoo, we have body lotion, we have shower gel. It's a set of 2, so they are 2 each. And we have conditioner. And then we have sanitary bag. And then we have a shower cap. There are 2 sets, and then there is a soap. Everything is in 2 sets. Yeah. Then of course they have the guidelines of using the towel. Okay. Then of course there's the tissue. There are these 2 small towels. Those ones. Then what is this, guys? Comment down below if you know what it is, how it flashes. Then we have the bowl there, and the tissue holder. On this other side, we have the shower. Another beautiful, beautiful bathroom. So there are the bigger towels. I think there are 4. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I like their rack. Then the shower is on this side, and I think you can put your stuff over here, and you can decide to use the other one. Yeah. On this other side, we have the wardrobe. You have the 2 robes. Okay. You have your shoe place, I think. And then you have your safe. Of course, your safe, you have the guideline of how to use it. Then of course you have this you can put at the door. Sorry. It has the 2 options of do not disturb and please make my room. Okay, then of course there's some guidelines here and there. There is a laundry bag. In most hotels, if you want them to do your laundry, they charge you an extra fee. I think it's the same case here. Yeah, so they have given the different prices over here, as you can see. Okay, and then you have the hangers over there. You can hang your clothes. You can put some stuff there at the top. Then you have the coffee station, so you can just fix yourself some coffee. And of course they have given their prices over here. They have soda water, tonic, bitter lemon. and all that. But for these items which are here, they're usually free. You'll not be charged for this. But if you want to order, you have the prices here so that you're not inconvenienced. And the prices for wine is friendly, 900 white wine. Imagine. Then we have some storage space over here. So you can just store your items. And then there's a fridge. Got enough oil here. There's a fridge. You can just put your items. Okay. I think this space, because it's a coffee station, you can make it some sort of your mini kitchen if you want to make something. I think so. Of course, there are our bags. Then on this side, there's a full mirror all the way up. I like I don't know whether it is wallpaper, but the beauty on this wall is on another level. I'm not sure even the camera is doing it justice. Okay, then we go to the bedside table. They have the same touch over there. There's some tissue and the lighting, of course. Then there's the first bed. And there's the second bed. The phone is obviously in between so that any of the person can make a call. Okay, and then also there's a bedside table on this one. Then on this side also, that is where the TV is. It's reasonably big. And then there is more. I think you can just put your stuff. I don't know. Yeah, there's more storage space here. All these are drawers. You can just put stuff. I like the white affair. So then there is a relaxing station over here. You can just have your snack here. I think you can also eat from there if you want to take a break from eating from the restaurant. Yeah, we already have some fruit, so we are going to enjoy after this video. I think everything is in twos. Then we have an office space over here. Again, I think it has some storage. No, this is not storage. This is just a console. Yeah, so you can just do your stuff there as you look at yourself, because there's a mirror. Then there is this seat. Look at this seat. How comfortable. Yeah. And then of course they have their guideline over here. As a guest, the information you need is over here. Yeah. Of course, the curtains are cream and the chairs are white. They are bringing some warmth into the room. And of course, we have to have a balcony. So let's head out to the balcony. So at the balcony, there are two seats. Also, you can chill out. I don't want to go out because it's raining. And then you know what? That is the beach. Can you see? This. There is the beach. The ocean, sorry. There is the ocean. So I'll take you to the beach tomorrow. So this is the view when you're outside. Look at how beautiful. So from this side, there is the table. Yeah, so basically that's our room. I don't know if this video will go up before another video that we have done, but you will see and you will let us know whether it's a proper upgrade. For sure it is an upgrade, but if it is a proper upgrade, yeah. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. If this is your first time to come across this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. To my premier gang, thank you for your continued support. We really appreciate. See you on our next one. Bye.